Hey guys, what's up? It's Nicholas here, and I totally just woke up. Totally just woke up, despite the fact that I had a shot of me waking up with my camera perfectly positioned beside my bed. Yeah, I totally just woke up. This is gonna be an exciting, very exciting video. I'm totally pumped up, and we're gonna go get some breakfast downstairs. See you there. That's hot. That is. Here it is, guys. Here's my breakfast. Damn, I can't. As you can see, it's very delicate and hard to remove. Time to eat this thing. Yay! Daily vlogging life. It's every day, bro. So bad. Hey guys, so here we are back in my room, and as you've seen, we had a pretty fantastic breakfast earlier. Alright, so yeah, we're back here. We had an awesome breakfast, and it's raining right now outside, which I actually love. Which is why we're gonna get really productive starting now. So guys, of course, the main thing that I try to focus on when I say I want to be productive is music, and it just so happens that I have a recital that's gonna happen sometime soon, and I'm really excited. So as you can see, I'm gonna be tuning my guitar real well, so there, I think think this sounds just right. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Oh shoot. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. I left the camera on. Oh man. It's like 12 a.m. Come on. Game face, game face. Hey guys, what's up? Totally amazing day. Well spent. It was super productive. Hope you enjoy this video. Rate 5 out of 5 stars. Wait, no, that was old YouTube. Like this video and subscribe. It's over here. It's the yellow button. Oh wait, no, it's the red one down there. I'm gonna see you guys in the next vlog. Hope you guys like this one. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to sleep now. I thought it was a good take.